guys, your boy Shadain here, and today we'll be doing an unboxing of the Retroid 4 Pro or Pocket 4 Pro. Here we are with pretty much the OEM box. So you get it pretty much in this cardboard box, and then you have their official box here. Looking pretty nice. The packaging looks nice. I got the retro version. As you guys can see, it has the colors here. The box just has the Retroid logo on the bottom here, and that's pretty much it. The box itself has these nice designs on it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's looking pretty nice. I'm gonna pop it open and let's see what this looks like. All right, there we are. So as you guys can see, it opens up. Box looks pretty nice. And then has this book vibes to it. All right, so here we are with the device. So we have a screen protector, first thing that we see here. We also have a device, and then we also have instructions manual, and then we have our USB to Type A, USB-C to USB-C to USB Type A, which is pretty much standard for most handhelds. All right. So immediately, this is pretty much really heavy. Almost feels like the Switch in a sense, but it's much smaller, way much smaller. The analogs feel nice. If you guys never owned a Retroid, I never owned a Retroid before. It's my first Retroid, and I can see that these analogs are indeed very small, like the Shimiwaya that I had. They're pretty small, but they're more raised up and more easier to reach and actually press. So it is different. These are pretty short travel distance, and then you have much mushy buttons here, which is pretty nice. We have the analogs which go all the way down, and then we have I think these are mouse clicked R1 and L1 buttons. So definitely really nice. All right, let's see if we have any batteries power on this device. Now let me go ahead and show you guys something before we turn the device on. Let's see if full focus. All right, now on the top we have, I believe this is the power button, not sure. Yes, so this is indeed the power button. Volume buttons. This is, I'm not sure what this is. This is a connector. I'm wondering if this is the HDMI cable or the HDMI out. We have our vents here for exhaust, and on the back, on the bottom actually, I think these are the speaker grills. And then we have our USB Type C. We have a 3.5 jack. And then we have the card slot here. It's a little bit hard to get open, but we have that slot there to expand our storage of the way, which is pretty nice. All right, and then in back has there another, I guess it's the exhaust vent as well, with the Retroid logo on the back, Retroid Pocket. And that's everything for the device. Now let's go ahead and power them on. Now it vibrates. And we got the starting screen. I don't think this device comes with anything loaded onto it. You pretty much have to set this up yourself once you get this device in the mail. Don't know how long our initial boot time would be. Oh, pretty much very quick, instantaneous. Next, it's going to ask you to set up with the Wi-Fi. All right. Let's just leave it on what time zone it is on already. And then I'm gonna hit Citra. So it does let you pick your emulator, which is nice. So you can see Citra, Citra Enhance, Dolphin emulator. You have Dolphin handheld for handheld. We have Duck Station. I don't know what that is. Easy RPG player, Fly Case. I'm just gonna enable all. Moonlight, Poke MMO, PSPP, RetroArch, San Andreas Unity, Steam Link. We're gonna do everything pretty much. EtherX, that's the PlayStation 2 one. And there is some other ones which I don't currently know. We're gonna go ahead and pick everything in case we can't go back and choose those. And then if we want to delete those, we can afterwards. So we're gonna go ahead and install these. But it's definitely pretty small compared to my phone. Let me show you guys a pretty much comparison with this and my phone. It's pretty much the same size. This is the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and it's pretty much the exact same size as the iPhone 15 Pro Max. It's literally the same exact size. It's a little bit bigger. So we have two different launchers. We have the Retroid Pocket 4 launcher, and then we have a Android launcher, which I'm just going to go with the Retroid launcher for now. We can go ahead and change that afterwards. And then complete. And I like that it is touchscreen, which is pretty nice. Now it is loading up. Now our video probably is pretty much going to be ending here until everything gets set up on this device. So in the next video we'll be covering pretty much the device itself, how it feels compared to my other devices, how it runs, and updating everything, a single thing on this device, and getting some ROMs on here so we can actually try it out and see how well it runs. But that's it for today's video. If you guys like this content, go ahead and subscribe for more. We'll be doing some more testing with this device. I'll also be dropping more reviews soon, so stay tuned for that. That's it for today's video. See you guys. Peace.